Alrighty guys, welcome to a lovely day here at Dub Saw Shop. We have bought out our ultrasonic cleaner from Amazon. I think this one was roughly about 80 bucks. Not 100% sure what size this one is. Let's see if it shows it. 6 liter. This one's a 6. I recommend if you're buying one, get a 10 liter. That way you can fit a little bit bigger stuff in there. The 6 liter is great for carburetors, oil pumps, clutches, clutch drums, stuff like that. It'll do 1 cylinder, maybe 2 depending on what size they are. It'll do a flywheel. If you want to do case halves though, you got to do the case halves one at a time, and you may have to flip them halfway through your cycle. But this one, you got your temperature on it. You see my set point's at 50 degrees. Right now we're at 8, and this is in Celsius. About 50 is pretty good. I'm not really sure what the conversion is, but I got the heat turned on. I just got it fired up. The time, it will go up to 30 minutes at a time. It's filled up pretty much halfway with water. And half of super clean. And this is the rack. We're just going to go ahead and throw our 55 oil pump, chain pieces, chain adjusters, all of our clutch components in, needle bearings. Come on out. There we go. Probably go ahead, toss flywheel in, flywheel nut. And we'll just go ahead, sink this stuff and get this washing. And then we're going to go ahead and take our aerosol can, super clean. We're going to spray this saw off, and then we're going to go hose her down. So this is all, just sink her down in there. Alright, hopefully the ultrasonic cleaner ain't tearing up the sound too bad. We're going to go ahead and take the regular bottle of super clean, and we're just going to douse this thing down, let it soak for about 10 minutes, and then we'll go take a hose, we'll spray her off. Alright, so let her sit and let her work for a little bit. Once the heat starts building, I normally take my basket and just kind of move it around a little bit. That way that heat gets dissipated throughout the water evenly. You don't have to, but it's just something I do. I gotta go to the eye doctor and have my eyes checked. My vision is starting to get starting to go downhill just a little bit, so wife set me up an appointment so I can go get my peepers checked out. cold weather, guys, just remember to unhook your hose and drain them. Now granted, it's not pressure washed, but it's a little bit of wiping. You definitely want to let these things dry out. Put a little bit of oil back on them bearings, that way they don't rust. But you'll have a couple little cakes, no doubt. But all in all, stuff works freaking great. Especially if there's a lot of oil residue on the saw, like if somebody uses burnt motor oil as bar oil and it just cakes the saw, that stuff takes a lot of it off very nicely. Leaves a pretty good little sheen on here too. Can you beat that? Look how clean she is. With not a lot of elbow grease either. So give her a try. Let me know what y'all think about it. Think about the super clean. We'll get our parts out of the ultrasonic cleaner when they get done. And for the most part, I'll do the same thing to the starter recoil, the clutch cover, the little plastic air baffle piece. I'll do the same thing to that, clean those up, and this thing is pretty much ready to go ahead and start the build process on. It's nice to start with something clean, that way you ain't working through junk, worrying about crap falling down in the crankcase, getting in the bearings. You can just go to it and not worry. I'm guessing there's a timer on the ultrasonic cleaner. She got up to about 30. 30 degrees is about somewhere around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Clutch, look at that. You see the heat marks in that thing now. Yeah, look at that. It's crazy. This thing had a 3/8/7 on it. Not sure if that's what they come with, or if that's just what somebody put on it. I'm thinking it's going to be a lot better with like a 325 setup. Yeah, look how shiny. Man. Phew. Like new money right there. Chain adjuster. Pretty clean. This your little oil pump. Sealer. Grommet. Whatever it's called. And the flywheel. Pretty dang nice. Couple little spots left on it. Just thicker stuff. But we'll walk over here and blow it off. And she's like fresh new money. Look at that thing. So guys, this may have been a little long video, definitely long-winded, but cleaning up your stuff is definitely something that you gotta do. Especially when you're diving into an older build like this. This saw is a 2003. Probably hasn't been deep cleaned like this since 2003, so you really never know what you're going to get into. But definitely cleaning these things up makes a world of difference. They look a lot better. Like I said, it's very nice when you got a very nice clean saw to work on and you ain't got to dig through goop and junk and all kinds of crap. So, you guys, let me know what you think about this super clean here. A lot of people said they're going to try it. A lot of people said they do use it, and we appreciate that. Like I said, they ain't paying us any money. It's just great cleaner that I'm proud, and a few others are proud to tell you about, that you can use. Look how shiny that is. Like new money, dude. I like it. So you guys have a great day. Have a great upcoming New Year's. Hopefully we'll get diving in on this thing here pretty dang soon. We already got cylinder seals, should be here maybe tomorrow or the next day. And we'll definitely be able to dive in this thing head first. You guys have a great day. Thank y'all for coming and checking out this video. Remember to smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't to the channel. It doesn't cost you any money and it helps out. Helps spread the word a lot more than you may think. So, again, Happy New Year's upcoming to you guys. Dubs, we're out.